Here in Moses Lake, there's one restaurant that has everyone talking.
It's just a full experience.
The food's great, the environment's great.
It feels high-end, it feels high quality, but not at all stuffy or prohibitive.
Welcome to ENZO Italian Restaurant. With a stunning interior and phenomenal food, there is so much to love about this place. And when the food is made with ingredients grown so close, it seems like they're living up to the hype.
You can't believe you're in Moses Lake when you walk into this restaurant.
I almost started speaking Italian when I walked in.
It's unique for the area. I really like it.
ENZO means superb in Italian. Top of the line, it means it's just fabulous.
Rhonda Casciotti is the co-owner of ENZO Italian Restaurant. From the menu to the architecture and everything in between, ENZO is her vision come to life.
It's one of the things that we wanted to bring to Moses Lake. We wanted people to experience dry ice cocktails and a really good hearty meal where you could feel like you were fine dining, but you could still laugh out loud and still bring your kids and have fun. That's the Italian way.
Big city splash, but the hometown feel.
You just really feel like you're somewhere else when you come in here.
Benvenuti tutti is what we'd say in Italian. Welcome all.
Once you experience that taste, you're like, oh, this is as fabulous as it looks. And that's what I want every time.
Don't miss later in the show when ENZO chef Campos and I make steak with a side of Washington potato hash.
Don't make me cut an onion. That's my nemesis.
Can't
right
be crying
there.
on camera.
No, I just don't know how. Like I cut it different every single time.